I'm excited. I'm really excited.
Feel very good. I'm ready to go. I'm ready to graduate.
Feel good. It's nice knowing that I'm about to walk across the stage and graduate from ATI. So it feels good.
I'm feeling nervous and good.
I'm excited. I'm ready to walk across that stage.
Excited, ready to move on to the next chapter of my life.
And today is very important to me because I like all the work I put in. It just makes me feel like it's very appreciated. My family, everyone's here for me, and I just feel very excited to go out in the workforce and make a living.
I chose ATI because I heard about it when I was in the military, and I went to the school to look around and see what they had, and I like what they had, and it's very hands-on.
Through the military, we have an office that tells us about different programs depending on what we want to do and what's our forte, and they recommended this school.
It's quick, you learn a lot, and all of a sudden you're in the field. It's worth it.
It was a quick learning process, and I heard that those guys teach you really quick, and they're pretty good at what they do.
More one-on-one time, and I like that. It's an amazing school.
All the instructors they're awesome. They relate to young people like myself really well.
They work with you in any way, shape, or form to improve you.
They're just very interested in the students, and they want you to actually learn it, not just get through the program. They want you to be able to apply it outside. I mean, because it's their reputation also, and they want you. They just care about you a lot, and you can just tell the way they teach. So it's a real blessing to have them.
They were very knowledgeable. They showed you what to do, how to do, and they were down to earth.
The instructors were pretty great. They really teach you well.
They were very good. They were very helpful. They were very cooperative, and they were there for tutoring as well.
My own personal shop where I get to customize chassis and roll cages, make my own exhaust system and turbo kits.
My career plans are to work for John Deere on their big tractors and farm equipment.
Well, right now I'm working at Checker Flag Hyundai.
I already landed a job working as the parts manager in Rick Hendricks Collision Center in Portsmouth, and the degree really helped land that job.
The military is my next step.
I'm a mechanic at auto auction right now, up in Fredericksburg, and I'm loving it.
ATI gonna help my career a lot. I'm gonna take this from what they taught me and experience I have with them and put it in my full-time job at the shipyard.
I want to join like the Honda PAC program, so I can be Master Tech certified with Honda. Today just signifies that, I finished the automotive program. That's pretty hard for any female, so I'm very proud of it. And now I'm working, managing my own shop because of ATI.
I'm happy that he's able to see him graduate, and so he can see that his daddy did something for him, and he can do it for himself too in the future. Yeah.